how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing for free. So go ahead and open your browser, and this site is called System.io. If you are not familiar with this, System.io is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses create and launch sales funnels, affiliate programs, email marketing campaigns, online courses, blogs, and websites. So basically, marketers can utilize this platform to automatically capture leads, add rules, trigger emails, and a lot more. So just go ahead and sign up here using your email address. And as you can see, you can use this platform for free and you don't need any credit card number to be able to sign up here. Although you're limited to some specific number of features that you can use, you can still create a landing page here for free. So once you are signed in, this will be the look of your homepage or your dashboard. And the first thing that you need to do is to go to the funnels tab. And then once you're here, click on the create tab or the create button. Give it a name. It doesn't matter whatever name you put here because no one is going to see it except you. Next to that is the funnel domain. This will be your username followed by system.io. You can choose and customize your funnel's domain at any stage. However, if you want to add customized links to your funnel, you will need to connect a custom domain name in your account settings beforehand. So we will not be doing that here. After that, choose your audience and then change the currency to whatever currency you use in your place. After all of that, click on the save button and from here, select the name of the funnel. And now we will be directed to the editing page where we can see templates that we can use for our landing page. Now you can start one landing page from scratch, like you will be layouting every element on your landing page, but using a template as the foundation of your final landing page is a faster way to do this. So in here, just browse, and then once you find the right design for you, choose the right item that you want for your product, and then make sure that it has the right information boxes. In our case, we want the email address. You can use the preview template feature if you want a quick overview of the landing page of a template. And once you're decided on what to use, click on start and you will then be directed here. Give it a name again, click on save, and then proceed to the editing page. Here we can now edit the template and create the landing page that we want for affiliate marketing of product. On the left tab, you will be able to access the elements that you want to add and elements that you want to edit on your page. So just explore the features that you can lay out here. Also, if you want to remove or adjust specific elements that is already in the page, just highlight or hover and select that specific element. So for example, this text, and you will then be able to change the text itself, the color, the font style, the type, the size, and a lot more. Here, if you click on the blocks tab, you can see specific boxes or blocks that you can add in the page, such as the opt-in forms, price plans, and a lot more. Now, moving on to the page itself, this one on the very back is an image, which you can change as well. So make sure to click on that, and then from here, you can remove the image and upload another one that you like. Again, just go to this tab to see advanced settings for your selected element. Now we can adjust the margin on the very side. So the background color, if ever you decided to have one, its position, the padding, again, every side of the photo. You can also add effects like this shadow, this delay before displaying item is for the animation, and you have the option to choose if it will be visible on desktop and mobile. Another thing that you will be editing is the text. So select a text, and here you can choose from the bold, italicized, underlined, and strike through. Beside is the color, and again the hyperlink button if you want a text to be a hyperlink. In the left tab, you can access additional settings for the text. So drag this to adjust the font size. Below is the line distance or the line height. Now these are the font types that you can choose from. You can simply click on the drop down arrow and choose from all of the available options here. This one is the setting for the letter spacing. You can also add a background color for the text. Once you add that, it will then be in a rectangular shape, hugging the shape of the text box. After that is the padding and the alignment. And again, the option to delay and its visibility on desktop and mobile. Now, another element in the landing page that is very important is the menu. If this menu is not aligned with the landing page that you are planning to do, simply click on it, and from here you can then edit the words to display and what action will push through once the menu is clicked. Either another tab will open or a drop-down submenu will open. Click on the add menu item if the template is not enough for you, and click on the trash icon if it is more than you need. Below are the settings for its typography. So here are the font style, the color, and the like. Now this on the upper left corner is the usual place where you can see the logo. So just tap on this one, and from here you can then upload your own image for your own logo. We can choose the action when image is clicked as well. We can adjust its size, its alignment, margin, the border radius, and a lot more. So just play around with the setting here to finalize your layout. Now, if you are targeting to get a specific information for those who will land on your page, click on the input box. Here you can choose what information the box will accept. So we have city, company name, country, and all of these. So just choose what you need. Now, the placeholder is the text that they will see before they type in anything. So make sure that it will instruct them to input the information that you need. Below that are some settings again to edit its appearance, like the typography and the like. Again, you can click on the Elements tab to add elements that you want to be in your page. And now let's assume that you are done with the layout. So click on the Save Changes. And if you click on the eye icon, you will then be directed to another tab where you can see a preview of the landing page that you did. So that is how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing for free. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.